want to show you the perfect way to tighten your underbust. So the formula is you will use a bust circumference, your bust minus your underbust. So our bust here is 40 minus our underbust here is 34. So we are having 6 inches. So this is the difference we are having. We have 6 inches, and this 6 inches will be dividing it by 4. If we divide it by 4, we'll be having a 1.5. So we'll be using 1.5 inches to tighten our underbust. So for the underbust tightening, we'll make use of 1.5. So that 1.5 from this center now, you can share it equally on both sides, or you can take lesser here and more on this side. You can take, since you have 1.5, you can take half an inch on this side, half an inch on this side, and 1 inch on this side. But here we are going to be taking it equally. What we have is 1.5, which is 0.75 on this end, also 0.75 here. So like I said, that what we have as the difference is 6. Our bust minus our underbust, we have 6 inches, and that 6 inches will be dividing it by 4. So whatever we have is for our underbust and tightening. So 6 divided by 4, we have 1.5 inches. So we'll be taking 1.5 inches here. You can take, since we have 1.5, you can take half an inch on this side and 1 inch on the other side. Or you can take it equally. Here we'll be taking it equally. So from this point, we'll measure 0.75 on this side and also 0.75 on this side. You can see we have a total of 1.5 inches for our underbust tightening. So we took 0.75 here and also 0.75 here, and we'll connect to the waist like this. Connect it to the waist and also connect it this way again. So we have successfully tightened our underbust. So we'll connect it to this. This is our shoulder to bust point, and I came down by 1 inch so that the dart will not get to the nipple. So we place our covula this way and connect. And also connect to this side. So this is for our underbust tightening. Another way you can determine it again, if you don't want to follow the calculation method, just measure whatever you have here. Whatever is your underbust, you measure, and whatever left here, that is what you'll be using to tighten your underbust. Just take the quarter of your underbust measurement, and whatever is left, you will use it to tighten your underbust. That is another way of achieving your underbust tightening. That is the perfect way. No guesswork, no try and error. So this is it. So if you are making a princess dart, you can now connect it this way. Tighten also your armhole area, and you are good to go.